Oh, look at my hair. So I'm gonna show you outside. It's a beautiful day. You can see the blue sky. Oh, refreshing. Not too cold in here. See? Wow, what a beautiful sky today. It's blue. Mega love shout out to our live viewer right now. Look at that. Welcome to Ottawa. So this is Ottawa this afternoon.
Cockatoo.
Your cuckoo. My baby bought this one at the store this morning.
I am a pigeon.
At the pigeon. Look at that.
Refreshing.
I miss
you
it's so refreshing.
I miss you so much.
You're so much.
Kichana.
Okay.
Ding 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 ding
Kichana.
ding.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Mama Mia.
Mama Mia. Wow, refreshing. Ang ganda ng panahon, baby. Refreshing. Refreshing. What a beautiful afternoon. We have this blue sky.
Can I drop my stuffy?
This is your stuffed toys. When she saw this in the Larama store, it's written in here, "Be mine." So she took this one. Wow, you have a lot of stuffed toys with you. Her cool. She loves collecting stuffed toys. She had a lot of them.
We have cockatoo here.
Yeah, cool. Okay, let's go back to the kitchen and check what we are doing in there. Okay. Kasi matagal pa tayo ditong makakapakulo dito. Ayan, masyado pang matubig. Chubi chapa. Okay, hi guys. Mega love shout out to our 9 live viewers. Okay, I'm going to camera back. And what we're doing, still have a lot of water here. So we have to wait for more. Yeah, look at this one here. Oops. How can I do this? Okay. Let's go back in here. Kumulo-kulo na siya. Marami pa ring tubig. Mas lalong dumami yung tubig kasi nilagyan na ng coconut milk. Kaya maghihintay pa tayo na maubos ang tubig. Ang dami-dami pa, oh. Kaya mawala itong tubig dito. Kulo. Okay guys, I think we have to do live again later because I think we're going to take a lot of time. So I have to say bye-bye for now. See you again later. Gonna do live again later. Mega love shout out to our live viewers and 1 liker, especially to our YouTube live commenter for today. Where are they? We have here Kyle Prince, Kayla, and Epic Envy Newsfeed, our regular live viewer. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out, and to our 4 livers, mega love shout out to all of you guys, and thank you to our one and only liker. Bye guys. See you again later.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I'm going to do another live later after we're done with this. Lots of water in here. Look at that. There's more water, so we have to wait until it's done. Kapag naubos na itong mga ano na to, pero parang ano din naman. Well, later na lang. Marami pa kasi siyang